It is fascinating to look at June 8th specifically. While it might seem like a statistical anomaly or bad luck in the meteorology world, it is actually a textbook example of how the atmosphere behaves during the transitional month of June. This not as a coincidence, but as the perfect intersection of seasonal mechanics. Why June 8th? The transitional sweet spot. Meteorologically, early June is a time of high conflict in the atmosphere. The jet stream tug of war. By early June, the jet stream is steadily retreating northward toward Canada. However, it doesn't leave the central U.S. immediately. It often stutters or lingers over the plains and Midwest. When a potent shortwave trough, a disturbance in the jet stream, tracks across this region on or around June 8th, it interacts with the midsummer heat that has finally arrived in the central U.S. Maximum instability, CAPE. By June, the Gulf has been pumping moisture into the interior for months. When you combine that deep, tropical-like humidity with the peak heating of a June afternoon, you get massive amounts of CAPE, convective available potential energy. The result? You have the ingredients for a loaded gun scenario. The wind shear provided by the lingering jet stream and the explosive instability provided by the June sun and Gulf moisture. This combination frequently produces violent, supercell-driven outbreaks in the first 2 weeks of June. Historical anchor points, 1953, Flint Beecher, MI. An F5 event that redefined tornado lethality, when the warning was often the sound of the wind itself. 1966, Topeka, KS, the Burnett's Mound storm. This is a great storytelling element. It broke the local legend that a specific landmark would protect the city. It also serves as a case study for urban devastation and subsequent changes in civil preparedness. 1974 and 1984 outbreaks. These demonstrate that June 8th isn't just about one storm, it's about synoptic scale weather patterns that can trigger multiple violent tornadoes across state lines. The June surprise, the June illusion. June 8th is a prime example of the synoptic transition period. It shows that while the geography of the threat shifts north, the intensity does not automatically decline just because the season changes. Why June 8th? An anomaly or pattern.